Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2 year model 2008. I have the hood vent is a black color. I'm going to change it to the chrome color. It's very simple and easy DIY, but it's going to bring the outlook of my HUMMER. And without wasting any time, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please click the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my new videos. Thank you. This is the hood vent. This one has a chrome handle and I really like it. First we're going to open the hood latches. Once it's open, pop this open. The hood vent is held by 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom. So altogether we have a 4 bolt which we're going to remove. It requires 10mm socket. So I'm going to open one here, one on that side and one down there. So once I remove, then I'll share with you. So once we remove 4 nuts on other side, then the whole hood vent will come out. This is a black color. It's a nice one, but I wanted to have with the chrome handle. So we're going to put this one on. So once we're going to place the hood vent, get a brush and we're going to clean up all the dirt accumulated underneath. Same thing on the side. I'm going to make sure that it's nice and clean. We're going to align it, the 4 bolt, and we're going to press it in. So we're going to put the nut. First we're going to do the hand tight, 2 nut on other side, and we're going to tighten it. So we tighten the top and the bottom. On this side, we just need a hand tight. You don't need to over tight. That's it. So we all done. So now we're going to close it. Look at how beautiful the chrome handle, and it brings the outlook of my HUMMER. And we're going to close the latches, and that's how it's easy and simple to change the hood vent. I'll list the part number under my description in case if you need one. For more HUMMER videos, please visit my channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please click on the bell. Thank you. Bye-bye.